Among those who were in Washington was one couple from Wharton who traveled to attend a rally supporting President Trump. Channel 2's Kathy Hernandez spoke with them today.
That Wharton couple has been to rallies in the past for President Trump and say they've never seen anything like this. They called it disturbing. These are the shocking images seen around the world.
Both of us felt disturbed, like it was not.
It was nothing.
It did not reflect us for sure, and it didn't reflect all the people that we saw there.
Don and Karen Middlebrook from Wharton were nearby, but these are the pictures they took. The couple traveled to Washington, D.C. to attend President Trump's event.
We were there to support America.
We did not come to be a part of any violence or riots or anything like that.
They say even when people moved to the U.S. Capitol, from what they saw, it remained peaceful.
They were already up there starting to climb the scaffolding and got up on the steps. And you know, people just waving Trump flags. I saw somebody waving a Texas flag.
It wasn't until they got back to their hotel room they saw the chaos and violence inside the Capitol. Now they say it's time for Americans to unite.
This is the way it's going to be if that's exactly what happens, and probably will. We've had presidents in our lifetimes that we don't agree with, but we pray for our leaders. That's what we have to do.
The couple believes it wasn't true Trump supporters that were responsible. The couple is flying back home to Houston today. Kathy Hernandez, KPRC, Channel 2 News.